Boys and girls, there is another combination like TH, SH, CH. This one, it's time you know. It's PH and it's wacky. Are you ready? Let me write it with you. Here we go. It is big line, come back to the top, little curve. There's P. What does P sound like? P, p. But now when H comes along, watch this. Big line down, bounce, and jump. H tells P to do the wrong sound, just like he tells T, just like he tells H, just like he tells C. But this time he says, let's trick everybody and make the F sound. That's supposed to be the F sound, but P and H make the F sound. Isn't that the craziest thing? But it's time. You're big enough. Now you know the secret. P, H, F. I don't have a song for this one. I don't know why I never wrote a song for this one, but PH makes the F sound. You ready? I have something in the sound bag that starts with the F sound, even though it sounds like an F. Okay, here we go. The clues are, you use this to call people. It rings and it has numbers on it. You use this to call people. It rings and it has numbers on it. Also, you can answer it if somebody calls you. What could it be? Did you guess phone? That starts with a P and an H? Not enough. Isn't that crazy? But you're big enough to know this now. PH makes the F sound. It's wacky. All right, let's do rhyme time. You ready? Thumbs ready. Here we go. Phone, bone. Yeah, let's say it together. Phone, bone. That's a rhyme. Back down. Phone, call. Yeah, that does not sound alike. Not a rhyme. Back up. How about phone, cell? There's a cell phone, but it doesn't rhyme. Back up. How about phone, zone? Yeah, let's say it together. Phone, zone. Good work. One last one. How about phone, stone? Yeah, say it with me. Phone, stone. All right, now we're going to put those letters together and make the words. Can you help me do that? Let's try it. First, phone. Here, we've got the P and the H. That we know makes that F sound. O, that's the O sound. Phone, that's the N sound. What in the world is this E doing on the end? Do you know what it's doing? It's that silent E. It tells the O to make the sound of its name. O, F, own. No sound on that E. Phone. All right, well, let's put a B in front. Big line down, bounce, and curve. B, own. Bone! We did that one already. Phone, bone. Yeah, let's put a C on the front. Little curve and stop. Use the C sound. K, own. Cone! You know, like the thing that you put ice cream on. Phone, bone, cone. Oh, what else could we do? Let's do an L. Big line down, stop. Here we go. What sound does L make? Own, lone. Like one lone person waiting for a friend. Lone. Phone, bone, cone, lone. Let's do a T. Big line down, little line across. T, own, tone. Like Like sometimes you press a button and you get, on the phone, you get like a busy tone. That's not a really good example. I'm trying to think what else. Got any examples, Jordan, for tone? I don't know. Phone, bone, cone, loan, tone. Let's put a Z on the front. Zig, zag, zig. Zone, zone. Yeah, now these are our rhymes. Let's try them again. Put the different sounds on the front. Own, phone. Own, bone. Own, cone. Own, loan. Own, own. Tone, zone. Huh. They all have the same ending. What's the only thing that changes? Their beginning sound. That's what rhymes are. The ending is the same, the beginning is different. And those are our rhymes for today.